There's all my life I left to live, and this fire's burning still. When I watch you look at me, I think I could find a way to stand for every dream and forsake this solid ground and give up this fear within of what will happen if they ever knew I'm in love with you. 'Cause I surrender everything to feel the chance to live again. I read to you, I know you can feel it too. We make it through 1,000 dreams, I still believe. I make you give them all to me. I hold you in my arms and never let go. I surrender. I know I can survive another night away from you. You are the reason I go on. I know I need to live the truth. Right now, there's no better time. From this body we'll break free, and I'll live again with love. No one can take that away from me, and they will see.